Mr. Jennings.
Yes, sir.
We have in my opinion, an extremely favorable lease, but why not push poor Abdul further into a corner? We're attempting to push back the date because he wants to sign today and remove the $1,400 deposit. Now, be prepared if he balks about that. I'm just going to say, well, we'll come to the table with a check, but it's going to be used towards future rent. So that's basically free. You're not going to give him $1,500 for free.
Right.
And understand this is commonplace. I've had a $50,000 ask in Los Angeles for a lease deposit. So it goes down from there. It's usually $5,000 or $6,000. They want skin in the game. They want to see that if, in reality, if you fail, they want to make sure they can scoop up a few dollars. If it takes you 3 or 4 months to get your ass out, they want to be collecting what would be rent.
Right.
And this, like I say, this is nothing. I mean, he's not asking for first and last like an apartment does. He's asking for 1 month up front. But yeah. I will do my level best to eradicate that. And the commencement date will get pushed back, but I'll also ask for the keys. So essentially you're going to get access, but we'll put the commencement date rather than today. It'll be 7/1, July 1st. All right, mute your phone. Let's see what Abdul's doing. I texted him. He didn't write back.
All right.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Abdul.
Yes.
I have your lease in hand.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's a good deal. 2 things.
Yeah. Two small things. Obviously, we're not taking possession today. You have it dated 6/1. Yeah. We would like to push the commencement back a month.
No, so man, you have to take care of it today.
Oh, okay.
Please, because I'm.
What's the urgency?
Yeah, because I want to go for a long cruise, 2-month cruise.
You can't leave without us signing this lease?
Yeah, I know. I can't.
Okay.
No, I
gave us
because I don't want to
no.
out.
All right. So rather than pushing the date a month, then we'll come to the table. I want you to scratch the deposit. We need to spend out. I mean, we're spending a couple $100,000 on equipment here. So we come to the table without a $1,400 check. We'll come in and sign today.
Come on, man. Don't be a.
Here's the thing, and I'm not being anything. We're looking at a 15-year term and spending money. You're not going to be able to recognize this place come 3 or 4 months, okay? We're not looking for 8 months of rent abatement so that we can come in and open the doors in 8 months. We're going to open the doors as soon as we plausibly can. But Abdul, every laundromat customer that did frequent this store has found another location. It's not like a very good Cuban restaurant. I can go a year without Cuban food. I don't like it, but I can. They're not stacking their laundry in the closet.
Once you make it attractive and all, it'll be good.
Of course. Oh, I know that, or I wouldn't be doing it. But no one's going to get rich from a laundromat. We can sign now. We'll start commencement now, but you need to scratch the $1,400. You're going to start seeing hammers swung immediately.
Okay. All right.
All right. Let me get in touch. I'm going to have James reach out directly. Where do you want to meet? Your offices?
Tomorrow. No, it's a good idea. Okay, how about we postpone a month, okay? All right?
Well, you just said you wanted to go on a cruise.
No, because what I'm saying is tomorrow is my grandparents' birthday, and I'm able to meet you. And then Sunday,
let's sign on Monday. Whatever the date is, we'll just push the dates. We'll handwrite in whatever date we start. That'll be the commencement.
That's fine. Okay.
But I want to shoot for Monday.
All right.
Abdul, God bless. We'll talk soon.
You too. God bless.
I'm going to have James reach out directly to set a place.
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy. He's gone. Congratulations.
Awesome. I will give him a shout in a few minutes or half hour.
That's how Danny gets his fees back.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
And yeah, I will let you know what he says and let you know once it's signed.
Fairly exquisite deal here, one of the best. I'm closing, a couple of leases a week for folks like you. So it's become commonplace, but it's always exciting and new and different for you, the student, the prodigy. And I thank you for sticking with me. I want to help you with the next one and the next one. And we're going to stick you in front of a camera. We're going to get you on YouTube.
All right. So.
All right, James. God bless. Let me know. Send me a picture when you're at the signing. I want to see it.
All right. We'll do.
Thanks, bro. Cheers.
Thanks, Danny.
Just like that. That's how Danny gets his fees back and scratches the deposit.